I'm Dr. Christie Mina. I'm a neurosurgeon. I did undergraduate school at Erskine College in Due West, South Carolina, and after that went to medical school at Medical University of South Carolina in Charleston. After that, did residency training for 6 years in Memphis, Tennessee at the university there, and then came back to Greenville, which is my hometown, as soon as I could to join private practice. I've been with CONA for a year now. Before that, I was in practice with Piedmont Spine and Neurosurgical Group for 16 years. So I see patients who have spine problems all the way from the skull base down to the tailbone. I see patients with carpal tunnel, ulnar nerve problems, and brain problems too, like brain tumors or brain hemorrhages.